Hello student, this is Sandeep Kumar Singh and today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 4, the Northern Mountains. Student, you have already read about the Northern Plains and I hope you will be also know about the Northern Plains. So let's start now. First we look at the summing up. Student, summing up is the main point of this lesson, okay, which are given from the lesson. So first we look at the summing up. The northern mountain run along the entire stretch of India from north to northeast. What is extent of Himalaya in India? North to the northeast, okay. They include Karakoram, Himalayan and Purvanchal. What are the main ranges? That is Karakoram range, Himalayan range and Purvanchal range. Okay. The Himalayas include Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. The Himalaya has three ranges, that is Himadri range. It is also called Greater Himalayas, the Himachal range, the Middle Himalaya and the Shivalik range, the Lower Himalaya. Okay. Agriculture, animal rearing and forestry are the main occupation of the people living in the Himalayan region. There are main occupation is animal husbandry and agriculture, forestry, okay, and local handicrafts industries are also important source of income. In this region, tourism is also a famous and local handicraft is also a very popular activity in this region. People living in different Indian states lies along the Himalayan have different unique culture of their own. In India, there are very diversity to be seen. It been also seen in the Himalayan region because there are various states. There in various states extended, so it has its own culture to be seen in the region. Okay, the Himalayas are important to India for geographical, economic, political as well as cultural reason. In Himalaya region, it has been important to India for geographical because it protect the from enemies from outside India and economic. It is depend India totally on the monsoon and Himalaya act as a barrier to stop the monsoon and it may be caused by rain. Okay, next is political, okay, it is a border of the India and China, so there are many important, okay, of Himalayas to the India. Now next we look at the exploring new world. First we look at the glacier, okay, moving sheet ice. As they move down the warm region, the glacier melt and give new rivers. Glacier is a moving sheet of ice which is moved down in warmer region and it has when he melt it rise the rivers, foothills, the area that base of the mountain range. Deforestation, cutting down of trees by human being for wood or the clear land, agriculture and settlement. When human being cut down the trees for their needs like settlement and agriculture, it is called deforestation. Okay. Next is terrace farming, a type of farming practice in hilly areas where the hillsides is cut into the series of steps where crops are grown. Okay, it is called terrace farming when the hill areas, okay, cut into step like a stair. It is called Terrace farming. Vineyard, a large farm of where grape plants are grown. Where the grapes are grown, that is called vineyard. Next is plantation, a large farm of estate where practice type of crop grown for sale. Special crops are grown which are to be sold in the market, that is called plantation crop. Deforestation, cutting down of trees by human being for wood or the clear land, agriculture and settlement. When human being cut down the trees for their needs like settlement and agriculture, it is called deforestation. Okay. Next is terrace farming, a type of farming practiced in hilly areas where the hillsides is cut into the series of steps where crops are grown. Okay, it is called terrace farming when the hill areas, okay, cut into step like a stair. It is called terrace farming. Vineyard, a large farm of where grape plants are grown. Where the grapes are grown, that is called vineyard. Next is plantation, a large farm of estate where practice type of crop grown for sale. Special crops are grown which are to be sold in the market, that is called plantation crop. Next is workout. The next section is workout. In this section there are some statements are given, that is you have to find that these sentence true or false. You have to write, put down in the following the sentence that is true if are they are false. Okay, so let us look at the first statement. The 10 highest mountain peak of the world lies in Himalayas. The 10 highest mountain peak of the world in the Himalayas. It is true because 11 of the world mountains peak in the Himalayan region. Only a part of Himalayas lies in India. So this answer is false because there are many parts of Himalayas lies in India. It is extend from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So it is very large area found in Himalayan region. The whole of the Himalayan remain covered with snow throughout the year. This statement is also false because the Himadri range, only Himadri range, okay, Himadri range covered with snow throughout the year. Only middle Himalaya, which are very high, is remain covered with snow throughout the year. So this statement is false statement. And next question is, the Himalayan range face deforestation. Yes, this is true statement because a very large population increase here, so they cleared the forest with their settlement and set up the factories and other activities. Okay, so this statement is true statement. Fourth statement is true statement. No cultivation take place in northern mountain. This statement is also false because we find in the terrace farming okay, terrace farming in the Himalayan region. Next is, so this statement is false. Now next is choose the correct answer. In this section you have to give a 4 option and you have to choose the correct answer of the following statement. The word Himalaya means, the Himalaya means that is abode of snow. Abode means Abode means house. Which of house? Snow house, that is called Himalayas. Okay. It is a Sanskrit word. It laid down that is Himalaya means him means ice and Alaya means house, which means that Himalaya. Okay. Next word is mountain range that lies north of the Himalayan edge. Which part of the Himalaya lies in the uh, Himalaya? That is Karakoram range, because Karakoram range is the northernmost range of the Himalaya. It from Karakoram range, the Himadri range also find, and Himachal range and Shivalik range. Okay. Next is the river originate in the Himalayas. You have to given the option Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada, and Yamuna. In this river, which of the river that is flow originated from Himalaya? That is answer Yamuna, because beside the Yamuna, Godavari, Kaveri, and Narmada are the southern Indian river. Okay. The Kaziranga National Park lies in the state of, options are given here, Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal, and Arunachal Pradesh. So right answer is Assam. Okay, because Kaziranga National Park famous for rhinoceros. Saffron is special crop grown in Tripura, West Bengal, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. The right option is Kashmir. Okay, the right option is Kashmir. Next question. Answer the following question in one or two sentence. You have to given some question, and you have to write this answer in your CW copy and fair copy. So let's start now. Name the three parallel range of the Himalayas. There are three ranges of Himalayas, that are Himadri range, which are called also Greater Himalayas. Second, Himachal range, it is also called Middle Himalaya. And third, Shivalik range, Lower Himalaya. Okay. Name the source glacier of river Ganga. So answer of this question is, the source glacier of Ganga is Gangotri glacier. In other words, we also say that Ganga river is originated from Gangotri glacier. Where does Kanchenjunga lies? The other question is, where does the Kanchenjunga lies? The answer is the Kanchenjunga lies in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and India. Okay. Next question is, name the few hill stations located in northern mountain of India. So answer is Nainital, Mussoorie, Dehradun, Darjeeling, Simla, Kullu, Manali, and Srinagar are the famous tourist attraction places in the northern mountain of India. Okay. The next question is, what is terrace farming? The answer is, the slope of hills are cut into step-like structure to grow crops. This kind of farming is called terrace farming. So in this section, that's all. We will next part of the video in next day. Till then, goodbye.